Real quick, y'all, I'm coming out with the aggressive E4 repertoire course coming out soon. This is for those of you that play the move of E4 and you want to have a fun response against the French, against the CARO-KANN, Sicilian, Nimzowitsch, Alekhines, you name it. The list goes on and on. If you're interested in that, the course isn't out yet, but right now we're doing pre-orders. If you pre-order it, you're going to get a very nice discount. That discount code is early bird. So go down to the description below, go down to the pinned comment, and plug in the discount code early bird by February 10th to get that discount. A6, looking to play B5. You know what I mean? Okay, knight F1. Knight, maybe knight F6? Knight F6 puts pressure on E4, which is nice. I could just castle, though. Could just castle. Now that is interesting. That is not something you see every day. Usually you see this knight come over, but you don't see this knight swinging over to G3. So that's new. I will say it comes with some benefits. I mean, okay, interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen that. All right, well, hey, first time for everything, I guess. Let's castle. Queen D2, we tuck. Right? Okay. Tuck the king. Looking at maybe F5. F5, knight F6. One of those. F5. I kind of like F5. Let's go F5. I don't really want to play G5 because we're gonna have some kind of breaking open there on the G file. So yeah, that's not preferred. Not yet. Maybe later. So if they take, that's an interesting moment. Honestly, any of those look somewhat appealing to me. If they don't take, probably just keep adding the pressure some sort of way, right? Bishop C4. Okay. So we could take. Don't know if I love that. We could push, takes. And then start looking at E4. I don't mind that because this knight is not in position to jump into E5 at all. Neither one is. Right? Okay, so let's play D5. You got to take, right? I mean, yeah, takes. Okay, do I take with the pawn or the knight? If I take with the knight, I'm threatening that. Yeah. Takes. Yeah, let's stick with the knight. I'm just trying to get my position a little bit less cramped. I'm threatening F4. If it's my move right now, I'm winning, right? F4. I don't know. Takes, but okay, we have takes on D5 right now. Do I want to give up my bishop? Not really. I guess I could, though. I mean, I guess I could, but I like the tempo I get. So, take with the pawn. We'll start a... Okay, we'll start with... Goodness, this hair is a little crazy. It's hard having hair, you know what I mean? It's tough. Okay, knight F6. Or C5. I'll just swing over. I'm guessing we'll see F3. Maybe a sack? I don't know. Okay, F3. We got boom, boom. No, here maybe that could work. I'm not in love with that happening though. I don't know if I can really slow it down though. G5 can't happen. All right, we'll play queen. Queen up. There. Let's see, h4. Okay, that's a good move. So black here, or sorry, white here is looking to break things open with h5, potentially. I think we'll respond by just continuing to get guys to the party. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so 4 minutes to 4 minutes. Pretty close on time. I wouldn't mind trades here. Okay, bishop f4. Yeah, c5. Takes here. Takes, h5 then. That's annoying. Takes. I guess I don't have to take right now. I could play h5, but that's... You know what I mean? I don't know. h5. I might have to. Just to slow down any h5 ideas there. So g5 is very weak. Thankfully the knight's not in position. So that's good. So knight's not in position there. Takes, rook over. Could happen. Bishop e5 is definitely on the cards for white. Of course, if they do that, then I have bishop h6 at some point. Okay, so bishop e5. Let's go c5. I think queen g5 is losing for white. Right? Bishop h6. So, okay, yeah, c3. Let's, I don't know, here, rook e7. Rook over. Start taking over that file. I mean, taking doesn't really do anything for me, except open up the C file for them. I mean, if they want to take, that's great for me, because then the bishop's less supported, but... Okay, rook e2. let's go with okay. Got an advantage on time. Got that going for us. F4, like if the queen runs, maybe. Nah, that's not good. Boom, boom. Maybe 96. Okay, interesting. I mean, that allows me to jump in, right? So now there's weaknesses that I can actually target. Got to play that in-betweener, or else we're cooked. I mean, you got to take somehow there, and then I just take. And then E5's weak, fine. But I don't think F4 was a good move. I think that was a big mistake. E5 was already yours. You don't need to strengthen it more. Okay. Lock that up. They do have a knight. Okay. Rook E6. Maybe Queen E7 next. Okay, maybe we just guard that a little bit more. So that's guarded. Check, I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay. That's a threat. I don't know if white can stop that. I mean, you could check me, but then I run. 2 queens is going to be good. All right. Check. Fair. Check. Ah. Oof. Close one, y'all. Close one. I wanted to finish this video out by giving a special thanks to Walter, Rob, Roger, Ray, and Jerry, and the rest of my Patreon community. Thank you guys for making this video possible. If you're interested in joining the Patreon family, hey, I'd love to see you over there. There's some exclusive benefits that you gain by becoming a member. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you over there. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.